So fun fact about Gambia, the ATMs don't always have money in them. So whenever you have to go to the ATM, you're kind of on a prayer, hoping that it'll actually have money. And sometimes you may find yourself having to go to a few of them. Like the other day, I actually had to go to, I think it was like 5, yeah, and the 5th one ended up having money. So to be fair, guys, I'll say that it really depends on the time of day that you go. So like right now, it's shortly after Fajr. I had to run to the ATM. It's not a good time to collect money. Ismail, you look so nice. Is that Shadow? I'm scared. It was Binta's face that was so funny when I said I was scared to burn my hand. She's so done with me because I've been in Gambia now over 3.5 years and I still haven't gotten certain aspects of outdoor cooking. Did you throw it?
This is the marinade. I already steam it at home. Boil it, just boil it. Put the seasoning on it. So you know what's my seasoning.
I know all your secret ingredients.
My secret.
It smells good.
Aliyah,
Mashallah.
I think the onion cooked enough now. Can you try and see? It doesn't have to be soft. You understand? Yeah. About the Afra.
Aliyah's over here trying to make a copycat vlog. No, because I told her I was going to be vlogging today. Let's see who gets their video up first. Oh my God. It's going to be competition. It's so fun having 2 YouTubers in the family, but Aliyah did end up getting her video up first yesterday.
If you drink this water, are you going to die?
No, it's just only salt. Nothing will happen if it gets in your mouth.
Even if I
Even if you swallow it, inshallah. Inshallah, nothing will happen. You didn't almost die. This is Mariama. This is Binta's daughter.
I drunk it.
It's okay. Nothing's gonna happen. Hamid. My friend Binta is Fulani and she makes the best food, the best chicken. Binta, thank you so much for making this bussin' food. You guys have a message? What is it? What did it say?
Summer in Africa. You and I had to say bye.
One of my favorite things about Gambia is it doesn't matter like how early you go out in the morning. If you go out like right before the sun rises or if you go out after dark, like you just always feel safe. You always feel safe being out any time of the day. So right now I'm just gonna run into the gas station and get some snack. And the sour cream and onion, the thing that I love about these is that they are gluten-free. And I actually tried them. I have already tried them before, so I know that they're good. They have a pizza flavor and they have Indian marsala. I don't know. I might end up actually trying most of these. Even I'm gonna get sugar-free cherry drink. Although, you know, I know like the diet stuff is not all that healthy, but gotta choose your poison. Yeah. I don't know. I might get mango though. I might get cherry and mango. Adam actually put me onto these. The apple one is really good too. It just tastes like it tastes like apple soda. Okay, so I had to make another stop to come to Right Choice because I got my grandma the wrong cookies earlier. So I want to see if they have the chocolate chip ones. Yeah, so I had gotten her the coconut ones and she said that her favorite ones were actually chocolate chips. So I agree, the chocolate chip ones do taste better. Yes, these are definitely guilt-free, sugar-free, delicious chocolate chip cookies. So yeah, we're gonna head on home now. I hope you guys enjoyed the mini vlog and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.